Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a drone that packs quite a punch for its size and features. This is a foldable drone designed with adults in mind, featuring a 4K HD camera and Wi-Fi FPV capability. Right off the bat, the camera is a major highlight. It boasts 4K high-definition resolution, promising stunningly sharp and vivid images with true-to-life color. What's great is that everything the camera sees is displayed live via the Wi-Fi FPV, giving you a real-time view of your flight. For those new to flying drones, this model includes features that make getting started much easier. The headless mode is a fantastic example. With a simple click, the drone will orient itself relative to the controller, so you don't have to worry about which way the drone is facing. This significantly reduces the learning curve. Another helpful feature is altitude hold. This function allows the drone to maintain its altitude and position automatically, resulting in a much more stable hover. This stability is crucial for capturing smoother video footage and sharper photographs. Beyond the basics, this drone offers some really fun and advanced functions. The 3D flip is incredibly easy to execute. Just press the dedicated function button and push the direction stick, and the drone performs an impressive flip. It's a simple way to add some excitement to your flights, even if you're a beginner. The track flight feature is also quite neat. Using the available app control, you can simply draw a route or tap multiple points on your screen, and the drone will follow that directed path. This opens up possibilities for capturing dynamic shots without constant manual control. Other functions listed include gesture photo, which likely allows you to trigger photo capture with hand gestures, a gravity sensor for control via tilting your phone, one key takeoff, landing, and return functions for ease of use, an emergency stop feature for safety, and speed control to adjust the drone's pace. The foldable design makes it highly portable, and it comes with a storage bag or carrying case, which is very convenient for transport and protection. It also includes a remote control and battery, with options available for different battery counts. Overall, this drone seems to offer a solid combination of high-quality imaging with its 4K camera, user-friendly features like headless mode and altitude hold, and fun capabilities like 3D flips and track flight, all in a portable, foldable package. It appears well-suited for adults looking to get into drone, flying, or capture some impressive aerial shots.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.